How to remove a chat from chat lock. Welcome everyone to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into the video. Now firstly, to remove a chat from your chat log, launch a WhatsApp application. Make sure that it is up to date and you're logged in. Now all you have to do is simply hold it down a little and at the top you will see log chats. Tap on it, then verify yourself. You will find your log chat right over here. Now, if you want to unlock this chat, what you have to do is simply press and hold onto it and tap on the three dot, then tap on unlock and verify yourself. And you will find the conversation in the main list of chats. Now, if you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, press and hold onto your WhatsApp application. From here, head to app info. Force stop it, then head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. You can also open up your Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. In here, if there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall your application. Alternative way, open up your phone setting. Scroll down until you see System Update and tap on it. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.